Hey y'all, it's Halloweener coming to you from DazzleArt and Promotions. It's a little bit of a delay at the DazzleArt distillery in the Enchanted Forest where I live, but I am still going to cook up a fresh batch of art in the next week to a few days. Now, I know what some of y'all are thinking. Well, you know what, Halloweener? I think that's a mighty fine thing you got going on there, girl. But you know what? Some of this stuff's just a little too weird for me. I'm not really into all that surreality. I understand. Halloweener, understand. Different strokes for different folks. So for those of y'all who don't like the abstract, the surreal, the images that burst from my mind, I also have lots of nature to share with you all. Like these beautiful roses. Please keep in mind, all photography can be turned into magnets, posters, coasters, and so much more. So much more. We're just getting started down here at DazzleArt and Promotions. Y'all take it easy now. Come back now, you hear?